A tragic incident occurred in Odogunyo, Ikorodu, Lagos State, as a 19-year-old Opesusi Faith took her own life on Monday after receiving the 2025 UTMA results. The teenager, who hails from Abeokuta, had been living with her elder sister in Ikorodu. According to family and neighbors, Timileyin was a calm and respectful young woman with high academic hopes. She had applied to study microbiology and was deeply disappointed by a score of 190, which she considered lower than her 2024 results. She said her last year's result was better than this year's, a close friend revealed. After indigesting a substance known locally as push-out, the common rodent poison, Timileyin reportedly went to her sister's office and asked for palm oil to ease the pain. Her sister, unaware of what happened, initially ignored her request. Moments later, she raised an alarm when Timileyin's condition worsened, attracting neighbors and sympathizers. An eyewitness confirmed that Timileyin eventually confessed on the way to the hospital that she had consumed poison at home before visiting her sister's workplace. Efforts to save her life proved futile. She was pronounced dead at Kolak Hospital, Odogunyo. Merely 30 minutes after her death, a provisional admission message from JAMB arrived in her Gmail inbox, a family source stated. Following the incident, a grieving parent arrived from Abeokuta and took her body home for burial. While this has generated mixed reactions online, with many talking about suicide and some blaming JAMB for glitches, share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.